When we open After Effects, the default color scheme appears in blue. Well, guess what? You can totally change that. And today, we're going to learn how to switch up those colors and add our own personal touch to the interface. So without further ado, let's dive right in. At first, hold Ctrl and press F12 key on your keyboard to open Console option. If in your situation the interface doesn't appear as a pop-up like it does in mine, you'll find the Console option located beside the Composition panel. Enter Theme in the search bar, then search. Make that option turn on. For your kind information, you can modify the color themes in Premiere Pro in a similar manner. The steps for changing themes in both After Effects and Premiere Pro are completely same. Choose from here your accepted color. In my case, I'm going to pick a bright color for better visibility. See how easy it is to change the theme color of our favorite application. And for today, that's all. Subscribe us for more. Remember, tech passion fuels us. Join our geeky community for an immersive tech experience.